The rain taps a steady rhythm on the tin roof. Another morning begins, hushed and gray.
The house is quiet now. Everyone is asleep. I should be too, but the warmth of the kitchen calls to me.
Opening the window, the scent of rain drifted in, mixing the cool outside air with the warmth of the kitchen. With the old kettle placed firmly on the stove, I watched as the steam began to rise in the quiet, rustic kitchen.
Washing dishes can be surprisingly calming. The sound of the water helps clear my head.
The rain brings out the best in the garden. I'm just checking the herbs in this rich, dark soil.
The light of this moment is the true warmth of home. Listen.
This bread is delicious, isn't it? Yes, it's perfect. Thank you for making it. It's such a cozy day for a family tea time, isn't it?
Oh, this smells wonderful. I think it's almost ready. I wonder if this will ever get easier.
It's really coming down out there, isn't it?